Roblox, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, I'm just going to log out for a quick moment to show how you are going to change your password if you've forgotten it. As you can see right here, when you go to log in, you can click on Forgot Password or Username. That's an easy way. Now, if I log in, there is a second way that you can use to actually change your password if you know your current password. You're going to click on Settings, and then you're going to click on this little pad of paper to click on Change Password. Now, as you can see, this little window opens up and you're going to type in your current password and your new password, and you're going to confirm it as well. Once you're done that, you're going to click on Update, and that's really all there is to it to changing your password. Be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.